13. Furrion Elysium. Imagine yourself as the owner of the Furrion Elysium, redefining luxury in the world of motorhomes by blending superyacht design and opulence on land. This visionary creation features a hot tub and helipad on its roof, showcasing the pinnacle of extravagance. Originating from the collaboration of three superyacht engineers who founded Furrion in 2004, the Elysium concept RV debuted at the 2017 Consumer Electronics Show. Measuring nearly 46 feet in length, it boasts slide-out side sections expanding interior space, two external 4K TVs, and a luxurious lounge area with a fireplace. Its smart toilet, shower, and fully equipped kitchen ensure luxurious comfort on the move. Additionally, a rooftop hot tub, seating area, and helipad add an exclusive touch, though realizing this dream would require an investment of at least $2.2 million. Comment below what you would do in such a motorhome. 12. 2024 Renegade 38BB. Sink into luxury with the 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB, a Class C diesel motorhome designed to blend family-friendly features with stylish details, elevating both living and travel experiences. Ideal for families and groups seeking a lavish and feature-rich motorhome, the Valencia 38BB offers a spacious and inviting interior boasting a range of luxurious amenities. The main living area welcomes you with a reclining theater seat, sofa bed, dinette, and a well-equipped galley kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, solid surface countertops, and ample storage space. Additionally, the Valencia 38BB provides a separate bedroom with a queen-size bed, dresser, and wardrobe for added comfort and convenience. The bathroom features a neo-angled shower, toilet, and sink, ensuring utmost functionality. Priced at $330,000, the Renegade promises unparalleled comfort and style for your adventures on the road. 11. Dembell Motorhome. Introducing the Dembell Motorhome, a symbol of luxury and sophistication tailored to provide the opulence reminiscent of a luxury yacht. With its sleek and elegant design, both inside and out, this motorhome stands at 12 meters, 39.3 feet long, 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet wide, and 4 meters, 13 feet high, offering ample space for indulgent living. Inside, you'll find a small rear garage and two slide-outs, one for the kitchen and another for the bedroom, allowing for flexible living arrangements. Designed to accommodate 4 people comfortably, the interior provides a luxurious sleeping and dining experience, along with ample storage for extended vacations. The cockpit boasts 4 seats upholstered in stunning white leather, complete with heating, cooling, and massage functions for added comfort. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line Miele appliances, including a dishwasher, induction cooktop, oven, large refrigerator, and freezer, all discreetly integrated for a seamless look. Customized models, like the one showcased in the video, are available for $1.25 million, offering unparalleled luxury and convenience for discerning travelers. 10. 2024 Newmar King Air. A luxury motor coach that epitomizes the pinnacle of luxury, amenities, and customization options. Crafted for those who seek nothing but the finest, the King Air offers an interior as opulent as its exterior. Featuring premium materials and exquisite finishes, the living area exudes a sense of spaciousness and warmth, perfect for hosting guests. The fully equipped kitchen boasts all the appliances and amenities needed for cooking and entertaining, while the bedroom serves as a private oasis with a king-size bed, ample closet space, and a luxurious private bathroom. With a starting price of approximately $700,000, the 2024 Newmar King Air sets the standard for luxury motor coaches, catering to discerning travelers who demand nothing but the best. 9. Element Palazzo. The Element Palazzo, a luxury RV, crafted by the Austrian company Marche Mobile. Renowned for its futuristic and distinctive design, the Palazzo captures attention with its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, often likened to a luxury yacht or high-end sports car. Available in various lengths, from approximately 12 to 20 meters, 39 to 65 feet. The Palazzo offers a spacious interior with generous living and entertainment areas. Boasting luxurious features, this high-end motorhome is priced accordingly, with costs ranging from several $100,000 to over $1 million. Depending on the customized configurations, each trailer costs between $2 million to $4 million and takes approximately 2 years to build. 8. 2002 Prevost Liberty Coach 522. The luxury motorhome built on a renowned Prost chassis known for its durability and top-notch quality. This model, the 522, features a single slide-out design, enhancing the interior's spaciousness and comfort. Powered by a robust Detroit Series 62.7L 500 horsepower engine and an Allison automatic transmission, the coach delivers exceptional performance on the road. Inside, the 522 boasts a well-appointed interior with a range of luxurious amenities. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including a Sub-Zero refrigerator, a Gagano cooktop, and a sharp convection microwave. The bedroom offers a king-size bed, dresser, and vanity, while the bathroom features a private water closet, shower, and toilet. In the salon, you'll find a large sofa, 2 recliners, and an entertainment center complete with a TV and fireplace. Typically priced between $200,000 and $300,000, the 2002 Prevost XLI Liberty Coach combines luxury and performance for an unparalleled motorhome experience. 7. Airstream Globetrotter. Have you ever imagined yourself with your family in the luxurious trailer renowned for its iconic design, premium craftsmanship, and cozy interior? Crafted with durable aluminum, the exterior of the Globetrotter is both lightweight and aerodynamic, boasting Airstream's signature polished finish that catches attention wherever you roam. Inside, the Globetrotter impresses with its modern European aesthetic, characterized by sleek lines, neutral tones, and upscale finishes. The living area offers a spacious U-shaped lounge and dinette that easily convert into sleeping quarters, while the kitchen is equipped with a full-size refrigerator, stove, Baraldi cooking vent, and stainless steel sink. Completing the package, the bathroom features a shower, toilet, and sink for added convenience and comfort during your travels. 6. Thor Vision Vehicle. As handsome as Chris Hemsworth, your wife will love riding in the Thor Vision vehicle. Thor Industries has unveiled its latest innovation, the new concept electric camper van, catering to outdoor enthusiasts who relish camping adventures. Boasting the best range in its class, up to 300 miles on a single charge, this electric vehicle sets a new standard for eco-friendly travel. Built on Thor's proprietary platform, the eStream features a high-voltage electric drivetrain that powers its wheels, reducing fuel or energy consumption for the tow vehicle. Remarkably, the electric drivetrain enables remote parking of the RV without the need for the tow vehicle. Positioned as the world's most versatile recreational concept car, the eStream comes equipped with smart sound technology to streamline activities within the vehicle. Inside, the camper van offers a luxurious interior, complete with a comfortable kitchen, bed, and small living area. While the release date for this electric marvel remains undisclosed, anticipation is high for its arrival in the market. 5. Earth Roamer HD. The Earth Roar HD, a discontinued luxury overland vehicle from Earth Roar Expeditions, left a lasting impression with its imposing dimensions and robust features. Spanning 35 feet in length, 13 feet in height, and 8 feet in width, this behemoth was constructed on a Ford F-550 chassis and boasted a formidable 6.7L Powerstroke diesel engine, complemented by a four-wheel drive system and locking rear differential. Inside, the Earth Roar HD offered a spacious living area complete with a dinette, kitchen, and bathroom, alongside a cozy bedroom featuring a queen-sized bed. Crafted with premium materials like leather, wood, and stainless steel, the interior exuded luxury and sophistication. With a base price starting at $1,900,000, plus customizable options, the Earthroar HD epitomized opulence in the world of overland vehicles. 4. 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL stands out as a top-tier motorhome, seamlessly blending the opulent comforts of the standard Greyhawk with the robust performance of the Ford F-554BY4 chassis. Engineered to provide a smooth and powerful journey across any terrain, the Greyhawk XL guarantees a comfortable ride. Inside, the spacious and lavish interior offers a multitude of features to enhance your travel experience. The living area boasts a cozy sofa bed, a recliner, and a convenient coffee table. In the well-appointed kitchen, you'll find a stainless steel refrigerator, a microwave, a 3-burner stovetop, and a convection oven. The bedroom provides a restful retreat with its queen-sized bed, dresser, and wardrobe, while the bathroom ensures convenience with its shower, toilet, and sink. With a starting price of $256,800, the 2024 Greyhawk XL is the epitome of luxury on the road. 3. Living Vehicle HD30 epitomizes luxury in the realm of travel trailers, boasting a cutting-edge solar power system that ensures 100% off-grid capability. With a sophisticated energy system featuring a 600W solar panel array, a 2000W inverter, and a 4000W lithium battery bank, the HD30 can operate independently for extended periods, free from reliance on external power sources. Inside, the HD30 offers a lavish living and dining area complemented by a pull-out sofa bed, while the fully equipped kitchen boasts high-end stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed for ultimate comfort, and the bathroom is equipped with a residential-style shower and a full-size toilet. With a starting price of $399,995 for the Eco Trim level, the 2024 Living Vehicle HD30 sets a new standard for luxurious off-grid living. 2. Faulkner Performance S. Crafted by the renowned German luxury motorhome manufacturer, Faulkner Mobile, captured the hearts of enthusiasts at the 2021 Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf, Germany. This exceptional motorhome astonished attendees by concealing a Bugatti Chiron beneath its chassis. Despite its staggering price tag, the Performance S offers an array of premium features. Alongside a mobile garage, it boasts a luxurious $355,000 Burmester audio system, a master bedroom, and a spacious shower adorned with brilliant white upholstery to exude elegance. Additionally, the Performance S includes a fully equipped kitchen complete with an induction stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator. With a jaw-dropping price of $7.7 million at the Caravan Salon, which includes the Bugatti, and a base price starting at $2.4 million, the Performance S stands as one of the world's most opulent and costly motorhomes. 1. Prevost H345 VIP. The Prevost VIP stands out as a premier luxury motorhome, constructed on the reliable Prevost chassis. Renowned for its unparalleled blend of luxury, comfort, and safety, it remains a top choice among motorhome enthusiasts. Safety is paramount in the H345 VIP, featuring Prost's Electronic Stability Program, ESP, to prevent rollovers and skids, alongside the Prevost beam frame reinforcement system for enhanced structural integrity during accidents. Tailored for discerning travelers seeking the epitome of luxury, this motorhome offers a hotel-like experience on wheels. With a price tag of $1.6 million, the H345 VIP is the epitome of opulence and sophistication in the motorhome industry. Which luxurious motorhome from these would you like to buy? Let us know in the comments which one you like the most. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. See you in the next video.